Welcome back to another tutorial. So this tutorial today is another Japanese inspired tutorial tone for photo on mobile devices. So as you can see, I have this picture that I took today, and I'm gonna show you how I achieve that tone color. I suggest that if you take photos with your mobile, please choose the Pro selection so you can have raw file for a photo. See, this is the JPEG and this is the RAW. So what you want to do is basically add this first on Snapseed. So what we want to do is basically fix the overall photo. What I want to do first is actually increase the saturation around here. It might sound weird, but trust me, it's gonna work. And then depending on the situation, please do note the temperature numbers, so you know when to go back. So this is basically too hot. I might want to cool this down a little bit, just a little bit. Also remember the tint number, so you won't go too like too green, and you want to decrease it actually around, yeah, around 18, like just add it +4. And what I want to do is increase the contrast and increase the shadow to get some detail on the photo. And I want to increase the exposure by just a little bit that here. And depending on the highlight, I don't want to do anything to the highlight. And that's done. See, this is the before and this is the after. And if you see the level, it's much better. And then we're going to improve the curve, and we're actually gonna increase this red here, around here, and the green as well, increase that, and the blue here. And what you want to do is decrease this and increase this, and then yeah, you see the before and after. And after that, click done. This is the photo that we just edited, and then we're gonna add this to Lightroom. So here we are on Lightroom, and I'm gonna show you how to get that Japanese tone color. So you want to go to the light and curve and go to the red. So to the red curve, you want to decrease it just a little bit, just to get a blue shadow here, and you want to say click done, and then you go to the mix. What you want to do is increase the hue to around here, 37, 42, that's fine, and decrease the saturation. Right, you want to decrease the saturation, and depending, you want to maybe decrease the luminance. And then the hue, you want to increase the yellow hue to the green side, and decrease the saturation as well, and increase the luminance. And for the blue, you want to go around here, and you want to decrease or increase, like you want to increase the saturation and decrease the luminance. Then you want to just basically see what you can do with the orange, and I think you don't have to do anything, and basically you're done. That's that. See, this is what you just edited on Snapseed, and this is what you get on Lightroom. It's very, very different and very nice, appealing looking. You might have to tend the question that why don't you just edit the whole thing on Lightroom? I can, but I might not have the same result. So this two picture here before, this one I edited on Lightroom itself, and this one I edited on Snapseed and Lightroom. And as you can see, I get a better result when I edit it first on Snapseed and then change it to Lightroom. And this is another picture that I have. That this is the before. This is when I edited on Snapseed, and this is when I edited on Lightroom. You can see a tremendous difference in results, and that's why it's way more pleasing to the eyes. I hope you like this tutorial, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.